First, when they take over any diocese and the projects that are in, when there is a misunderstanding. There has been a misunderstanding between the members of Church of Uganda in the Shema district and in the Western Kuru diocese. Shema district is part of Western Kuru diocese.
We are very excited because the institute has transformed into a university. We are no longer a university project. We are now Ankole Western University. The National Council for Higher Education of Uganda last week granted us a provisional license to operate as a university. Therefore, we are very excited. The institute and university project opened far back in 2005.